See, when the environment issue was raised, it became a very hot topic and things like that. My colleague, myself, we have highlighted that problem to the railway authorities. Now the railway is actually initially, 2.5 kilometers of the new track were supposed to be inside the tunnel. Inside the tunnel, it has been now increased to 8.2 kilometers because they have also reconsidered the sentiments of the people, how the people of Goa feels. So those things are actually wherever possible it is accommodated. But stopping completely, no, it is not in our what you call scheme of things. As far as we are concerned, we are no authority competent enough to take that decision. We have to be very clear. Secondly, regarding Dudhsagar also, there were lots of issues people have raised, and then the issue was again flagged to the railway authorities. And now, in the new plan, what happened? The railway earlier, many of you must be already knowing, in front of the Dudhsagar waterfall, one track is going, the old track is going. The initial plan was to have a parallel track going next to that one. But today, that also has been reviewed and reconsidered, and it will go from a tunnel from behind, inside the rock. I'm talking about the second line, will go from inside the rock, and therefore will not disturb the present setting of the Dudhsagar waterfall. Whenever I speak to people and mention Railway Act, people are a little agitated. I understand that. But now, for people like me and my colleagues who are working here, an act is an act, a law is a law which is adopted, whether we like it or not. It's adopted by our parliament. Our parliament means our own representatives are also there, a party to agreeing to that act. So, and it's mentioned there what are the things, what are the works that can be carried out in the land which is acquired. So you may kindly see. And then one thing is that what we can promise you is that as far as possible, the damages or the river, the water body which is blocked and all that, we have mentioned it yesterday also. Today also I am mentioning that it will be cleared in no time as soon as the work starts. See, it's a tedious process actually. Every tree that we cut, whether it is from a private party forest, I mean private land that is acquired from the government forest land, or from anywhere for that matter, no tree is cut without taking the permission of the forest department. The tree is listed, the name of the tree is written, the height, the diameter, everything is mentioned, and the forest department gives permission, and then only we cut.
See, there is some misunderstanding about the construction of the railway platform there in Chandor station. And there was a construction which was carried out with the help of retaining wall in order to reduce the number of land, the length of land which is required for making the station. So in the process of construction, there are some blockage to the river waters, the water body. So yesterday an issue was raised. So we have promised them that we will talk to the Panchayat today. Until such time we talk to the Panchayat and clarify all these points, we will call off work. So that's why we are having today's meeting.
So you will resume the work today? So you have not categorically answered the question points.
Yes, because now beyond this stopping work is not in my capacity. So work will definitely resume.
Sir.
Okay. See, as far as those things are concerned, I have clarified earlier also during my remarks that any state government who is giving us permission to do the work, you see, there may be specific specific permission, no specific permission, but they are all a party to agreeing us to do the work there. So that we will sort it out.
What about the forest? There are so many trees are cut. You are
Which
taking
forest you are
permission?
talking about? The PA?
Yeah, here.
In the PA section?
No, here.
No, in this.
Girdolin.
That I have
Same
already
place.
mentioned, no? I said every tree that we cut, we took permission from the forest department. It is listed. The list is supplied, and they are also they come back with a list. What are the trees which we can cut? That's it. If you all want someday, we can also supply you all the list, the order which is given to us by the forest department.
Will continue the work onwards.
Yes, that is as of now.
मुखार रेल्वेचे ऑफिसर आयले लोकांचे जे प्रश्न आसात तांकां जबाब दिवपाक पूण एक सुद्दां प्रश्नाक जबाब दिवपाक पावले ना आयज सिद्ध जालें की रेल्वेचें जें काम आसा तें सगळे कायद्याचे विरुद्ध आसा वायलेशन करतात सगळे कायदे आयज आमी दाखयले CRZ क्लियरन्स ना तांचे कडेन पूण CRZचे भितर ते पुरोवन CRZचे जे एरिया आसा ती डिस्ट्रॉय करतात तेच भशेन WRD परमिशन नासतना उदकाचे जे मेन रिवर आसा ती ते डिस्ट्रॉय करतात गिरदोली तेच भशेन सेक्शन 17A परमिशन ना TCPचे परमिशन चीफ टाउन प्लॅनरचे परमिशन ना कसलीय परमिशन तेंचे कडेन ना आनी परमिशन नासतना फोर्सान हे काम करतात आनी जेन्ना लोकांनी तांकां विचारलें की बाबा हो जो प्रोजेक्ट आसा हो कोणा खातीर आमचे खातीर काय न्ही जाल्यार ताकाय तेंचे कडेन जबाब ना ते म्हणटात की हायर ऑथॉरिटी कोणी तरी डिसायड करतात आनी आमी फक्त इम्प्लिमेंट करतात सो आयज हें सामकें सिद्ध जालां की रेल्वेचें जें काम आयज चांद्रा गिरदोली आनी गोंयभर चालू आसा तें कायद्याचें फूल उल्लंघन करून फूल इल्लिगल काम चालू आसा आनी हो आयज जो रेल्वेचो ऑफिसर आसलो तो वयल्यान सांगता की लोकांनी जाय तें करचें आमी इल्लिगल ताणें मानून घेतले एक्सेप्ट केले की कायद्याचे भायर आसा पूण आमी बंद करपाक शकना तुमी तुमकां जाय तें करात फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन इज व्हेरी क्लियर लोकांची कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ड्युटी आसा की आमचे कायदे आमी सगळे अपहोल्ड करूंक जाय आनी आमचे एनवायरनमेंट सगळें आमी सांबाळूंक जाय ही कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ड्युटी लोक आपल्याची कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ड्युटी करतलेच ही आमकां 100% खात्री आसा आनी आयज जे भशेन सरकार लोकांक सांगता की आमी कायदे मोडटले आनी तुमी जाय ते करात हें एक भशेन सरकार सांगता की लोकांक एक सांगता की तुमी तुमची कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ड्युटी करात लोकांक आमकां मेसेज दिता की तुमी भायर सरात आनी जी इल्लिगॅलिटी चालू आसा ते तुमी बंद करात हें आमकां आयज क्लियर मेसेज मेळ्ळा सरकार
वतले तुम्ही
सॉरी
कोर्टान बी वतले
लोक सगळे मेळून ठरयतले जी पावलां लोक मेळून ठरयतात कोर्टां वचपाचे रस्त्यार येवपाचे सिवील डिसोबिडियन्स ते सगळे लोक ठरोवन मेळून ठरयतले आयज सांजचे बी मेळटले आनी ताजेर डिसिजन आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन जुना साकून बरयत आसात एक 15-20 पत्र जाली सगळे जे आमचे पॉयंट्स आसात सगळे घाल्यात हो ही रेल्वे आसा ती फकत पोळश्या लागून ही कोणाचे बऱ्या खातीर न्ही इट इज अ एंटी नॅशनल प्रोजेक्ट इट इज एन एंटी नॅशनल एंटी पब्लीक प्रोजेक्ट हें आमी सगळे सरकाराक प्रूव केलां पूण आयज पर्यंत सरकार आमचे एक सुद्दां लेटराचो जबाब दिना रिप्लाय दिना सो हे आमकां सांगता की स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटा म्हऱ्या मत तें आमी ऑलरेडी केलां स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट कांयच पावलं घेयना आनी CMांनी सांगलां की आपूण कोल कमी करता पूण डबल ट्रॅकिंग करता ह्यो सरासर फोट्यो डबल ट्रॅकिंग इज ओन्ली फॉर कोल आनी आमकां हे सरकाराचेर मातसो सुद्दां विश्वास ना आमी 100% ट्राय केला बट वी होप फॉर द बेस्ट आयज पासून हें आयकून सपोज सरकार हे प्रोजेक्ट बंद करता आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचें काम बंद करता जाल्यार वी वील थँक द गव्हर्मेंट पूण सरकार आपल्याली जे पोजिशन आसा तेंच मेनटेन करता आनी हो प्रोजेक्ट पूश करता जाल्यार लोकांनी दुसरो उपाय आसपाचो ना लोक आपल्या हातीन जें जाता तें करता